Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making a copycat recipe and it is called Panda Express Orange Chicken. Now let's move on to our ingredients. So for our ingredients, we have chicken breast, or you could use chicken thighs. You want to cut into 1-inch cubes. You want self-rising flour, eggs, and oil for deep frying. For our orange chicken glaze, we have orange juice, orange zest, soy sauce, sugar, brown sugar, rice wine vinegar, red pepper flakes, or you could use sriracha sauce. We have garlic clove mince, cornstarch, and ground ginger. We're going to start off with making our orange sauce, which we're going to add our orange juice, our soy sauce, our sugar, our orange zest, brown sugar, our rice wine vinegar, and our red pepper flakes, and our garlic. And last but not least, we're going to add our ground ginger and our cornstarch. And we're just going to mix all these ingredients together. I am going to bring it up to a boil, and then I'm going to turn it down to simmer anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. And we're going to put our sauce to the side, and now we're going to move on to making our chicken. What you want to do in a medium bowl, you want to whisk together your eggs. In another medium-sized bowl, you want to put 1 cup of flour or cornstarch. Now, first you want to dip your chicken into your eggs and then coat the pieces with the flour. Again, I put them on a wire rack and I set it to the side. Now we're going to heat up our oil in our frying vessel to 375 degrees. You want to make sure you have enough oil to cover your chicken. So here we're going to drop in our coated chicken into batches. And you want to fry your chicken until they are medium brown and your chicken reaches at least 165 degrees. This could be anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. Now that our chicken is done frying, we are going to heat up our sauce, and we're just going to drop our chicken in, and we're just going to coat our chicken on all sides. And here I added some orange zest to my orange chicken. You're going to toss lightly until all your chicken is coated and serve immediately. And today we made Copycat Panda Express Orange Chicken. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.